Hey guys, welcome back to VBuilds. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to service your car at home. So when I had to service my car for the first time like 10 years back, I took out 5-6 hours out of my schedule to get it serviced. But when I reached the mechanic, he was like, 5 minutes, change the oil, change the filter, and he said, I'm done. I was like, what? For this I'm paying you 1,000? That's when since then I've been doing the service at my home, and I'll just show you how to do it in this video. Let's go. So basically for the regular service, you just need to change the engine oil, the oil filter, and the air filter. These three things. And also if you have the manual for your car, that would be really handy so that you know which kind of products you have to use. Manual, you can see right here, engine oil, it shows that the capacity is 3.6 liters, and there is this another diagram which shows which type of engine oil to use. So I will be using 5W30. That's here. I'm using a Castrol 5W30 fully synthetic engine oil, and then this is the filter and the air filter. Let's begin by changing the air filter first. If you don't know where to put it in your specific car, you can again find it in the diagrams in the manual, but since I know, I'll just do it. Pop the hood. So the air filter plays a very important role in the fuel consumption of your car, and it is located right here for the Honda City. Just pull out these locks, 1, 2, and 2 on left and right, just like that, and this box comes out. See, here is the old filter. I'll just take it out and show you. See the condition, all blacked out. See how choked up this is. This is obviously going to affect the fuel consumption of your car. So just throw this out, and right here is the new one. Put it back in. It's a good idea to clean that place first. Nice and clean. Yeah, another thing, just make sure you place it properly. You see this notch? This notch goes right here. There's a slot in there. So don't force anything. If it doesn't fit, just make sure you are putting everything correctly. So the notch is here. Now I will put this cap back on. Like this. It fits nicely and you don't have to put a lot of pressure. Put the locks back on. 3 and 4. That's about it. The filter has been changed. Next is the oil. Change the oil and oil filter. You see right there is the oil filter. That's what you need to take it out and just plug the other one back in there. And this is the dipsticks from where you check the oil level. And right here is the oil cap where you fill it in. So everything is mentioned in the user manual as well, so you can check for your car there. So first we need to drain the oil, so let's do that. These are the 2 ramps. This side. टच हो गया. दो बोतलें जरा पीछे, 2 बोतलें जरा पीछे. आधा डालना आगे. एक और लगा दो पीछे करो.
लगा कर लगा दो, बिल्कुल दोनों को लगा दो आगे पीछे कर दो बोले.
Car is lifted from the front, so I had the advantage of this slope, so I just used few bricks to mount it there. But if you don't, you can use the jack. Now I can easily access the bottom of the car, make sure it is properly secured. Now under the car, just below the engine pan, this is the sump or the pan which stores the engine oil. So right here it says also engine oil, and this is the lug nut which you need to open to drain the used oil. So I'm just gonna open it, and then once it is drained we can fill in new oil. And right here is the filter. You need to open this and replace this with a new one. A big pan to catch the oil, place it below the lug nut where you think the oil will drop. Where is it? You're right there. I think here should be fine. And let's open it. Here it is, all black. So it's so it has drained, but I let it sit for, let's say, 15-20 minutes so that all of the oil comes out. So just let it drain. Meanwhile, let's open the filter. You need a special tool to open the filter. I got this pretty cheap, 250 rupees. Or you can watch some videos and try those, how to open the filter. I tried that, didn't work. Tap, tap. बहुत है Now you should also open this filler cap so that all of the oil can drain properly. The oil is still dripping, but I'm going to put the lug nut back on because the oil is not in a very bad condition. So I'll just put it back on and fill up with the new oil. You can wait 10-15 minutes to drain it completely, up to you. It doesn't make a lot of difference. And right there, it's on, and tighten it. Make sure you don't over tighten it because you might break it. And that should be enough. Okay. Now before installing the new filter, I can read the instructions also. It says apply a thin film of oil. Apply a thin film of oil to the surface of packing before screwing on. So you can apply one small film of fresh oil I'm just using the used one. Okay, and right there. Okay, it's on, and we can just snall it now. Here goes the oil filter. To install it, the procedure is just turn it using your hand until it is snug, and then after that tighten it 3/4 of a round. So now it is snug. Now you need to turn it 3/4 more. So I'll do that using the tool right here. And this is 3/4, should be okay. Moving on. It is done. All that is left is to fill it back up. So I have made this small funnel kind of thing using a cold drink bottle. Just put it there, and now I can just fill it up. Put the cap back on. Just check the engine oil level using the dipstick, and that's it. If it is less, just fill it up more. If it is okay, then all good, and we are done. You see the level is full. You should clean it. Good idea to clean your dipstick and dip it back in one more time to check the level. I did that and it's full, so I don't need to add any more of it, and we are done. That's how easy it is to service your car at home, and we are done. Make sure you like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.
This guy's not slowing down. Yeah, it's confirmed. He's not stopping. Code 3.